Hi, my name is Jethro Tongona and I'm going to make a presentation on smart devices and personal privacy. Smart devices are becoming an indispensable part of our daily human lives in that they are assisting us in doing our day-to-day activities. For instance, the mobile smartphone has become a very important device for our day-to-day communication. And in the year 2019, it was realized that the number of smartphones worldwide was above 5 billion, which converts to a third of the world population using smartphones for the purposes of communication. And in that same year, it was also realized that the number of smart devices worldwide was double the world population, and a further increase in the number of smart devices is expected. This clearly indicates that smart tech revolution is not going to end anywhere in the near future. The increase in the number of smart devices worldwide entails an increase in the amount of personal data that is being collected from individuals on a daily basis, subsequently exposing them to personal privacy threats, like location identification. Today's smart devices contain radio frequency identification tags, and tagged devices' geographical location can be identified from a remote location, thereby exposing the person carrying that smart devices to unwarranted location identification. The growth of smart cities has seen an increase in cases of unauthorized surveillance. The interconnection of smart city applications and smart city devices enables city authorities to collect as much data as possible from individuals on a daily basis. And after collecting this data, city authorities are able to predict the behavior patterns of individuals and at the same time monitor the persons. This will expose individuals to unauthorized surveillance on a daily basis. Today, governments are collecting data from citizens through activities like the national census, national registration for motor vehicles, national registration for identity cards, and the ability by governments to collect different sets of data from citizens enables them to collect the data, identify individuals, and profile them against their will. And in the light of these threats, privacy legislation comes in handy to protect individuals from unwarranted personal privacy infringements. And in the year 1973, fair information practices and principles were introduced, which provide a broader spectrum of regulations that govern the collection, storage, processing, and usage of personal data, at the same time protecting individuals from personal privacy infringements. And in the year 2016, the European Union passed into law the General Data Protection Regulation, which seeks to allocate individuals total control over their personal data and at the same time protecting individuals from unwarranted personal privacy threats. And in the year 2018, in a survey that was conducted, 81% of people indicated that even after reading personal privacy policies, they did not understand how their data was being used. And in the light of this insecurity, software developers are urged to develop robust, privacy-aware systems that is prioritizing personal privacy in systems development. And also, they are encouraged to use robust, lightweight encryption packages on devices, where the only point of encryption of data will be the point of input, and the only point of data decryption will be the point of output, where the receiver will be receiving the data. This will protect data leakages through transmission. Smart tech revolution is not going to end anywhere in the near future, but in fact it is the future of our technology revolution. Therefore, we need to embrace it and also to further research on ways to protect individuals from unwarranted personal privacy threats.